Hello guys, my name is Nurwidi Rahman from Indonesia. I would like to introduce my Daewoo Espero 1996 2.0 Daewoo Espero. Okay, you can see this is my car, Daewoo Espero. I have a lot of problem, especially electronic problem from this car, like sensor and then ACU or ACM. And in my country we don't have any spare part of this car anymore, so that's why I must thinking hard how to solve the problem. So I changed my injection system to Carburator system. Okay, I would like to open the car hood. Okay, you can see that is speedometer, odometer, and the fuel instrument. Okay, I wanna show you the engine of this car. As you can see, this car is still use original engines. I think this is Opel engines with a timing belt, but I still not yet use the timing belt cover. And you can see I had to change the brake master, and you can see I don't use throttle anymore, so I close the hole from use throttle with a steel plate like this. And then you can see I changed all of the injections equipment. This is the cable connector, cable to injector. You can see this is a cable to connector injector. And then this is the carburetor. So I make a new hole on the right side for the carburetor. I use a Mitsubishi Colt T120 SS carburetor with a single hole. You can see. Okay. Okay, you can see for the complete. Okay. Overall, this engine can start good with no problem and have a efficiency in the gasoline, of course. Okay, I would like try to start the engine. With a single starter. Okay. You can see the sound of engine with the carburetor. Okay guys, this is a 1996 Daewoo Espero 2.0 modification from injection system changed to conventional system carburetor. Okay, see you next time again with me. My name is Nurwi Rahman.